Have you ever dreamed of diving into real estate investment but felt held back by the complexities? Fear not, for Tax House School is here to guide you through the maze with real-world experience and expertise. At Tax House School, we understand that the world of tax-delinquent properties can sometimes seem as confusing as a mystery novel backward. Our personalized one-on-one coaching sessions are like having a real estate investment guru in your pocket, ensuring you navigate the world of tax deed sales with confidence and flair. Join our master classes and unlock the secrets of successful real estate investment. From tax lien investing to property auctions, our classes are a treasure trove of knowledge. Dive into our collection of ebooks and discover a wealth of information that will equip you to tackle the nuances of tax-delinquent properties head-on. Our online courses are the perfect way to learn at your own pace, from the comfort of your favorite armchair. Emerge as a seasoned investor ready to take on the world of real estate. Catch us at our next public speaking engagement and prepare to be entertained, enlightened, and inspired by dynamic tales from the world of tax-delinquent properties. So, dear viewer, if you're ready to embark on a thrilling adventure into the world of tax-delinquent properties, tax lien investing, and property auctions, look no further than Tax House School. Don't let the complexities of real estate investment hold you back. Join us at Tax House School and let's conquer the world of tax-delinquent properties together. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Tax House School has something for you. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the doors to tax-delinquent property success.